How to set payment method on Vinted. Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how you can set payment method on Vinted. So to set your payment method on Vinted, it is not difficult. That's one thing you must note. It is very direct. So how do you get about it? The first thing to do is to log in into your Vinted account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you will be brought to the Vinted page. On this page, you can see your Vinted logo by the top left corner. You can see the search box. You can see some icons by the right side. So amongst this icon, you can see the profile icon. Ensure you click on it. After clicking on it, in the box displayed, ensure you click on settings. After clicking on settings, you go to the settings page. On this page, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar says showcasing options like profile details, account settings, shipping, payments, etc. Just go ahead and click on account settings. And then once you're the account settings page, you can see other options. Go ahead and click on payments. Payment is located below shipping. All right. And this is where you can go ahead and set up your payments method. The two methods available card and then bank account. All right, so just click on add new card if you want to use card, and then once you click on add new card, a window will pop up at the middle of the screen, and then you can now select the kind of card. You can see the kind of cards that are available or allowed, which include MasterCard, Visa, and then Discover. And then you have to input the card holder's name, the card number, the expiration date, the security code, and then click on use this card. And then once you're done, the card will be added as the payment method on your account. Another thing you can use is bank account. You just click on add bank account, and then once you do that, you'll be taken to the page where you can input the account holder's name, account number, click on save, and then just like that, your account will be added and to be set as a payment method on your Vinted account. So this is how it works. I'm sure this tutorial has been helpful, so ensure you have a good day.